Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Home Depot gift card not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix Home Depot gift card not working, the first thing that you can do is re-enter the gift card number plus PIN. Most issues happen because of the wrong digit. To fix it, simply enter numbers carefully without any spaces and make sure the pin is correct by scratching lightly and not scratching the pin entirely. The next method is check the card balance. If the balance is zero, it won't work. So to do it, what you can do is check balance on your browser. Simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Home Depot gift card balance and then tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then here you'll need to enter the gift card number and PIN, and you need to tap on check balance and check the balance of the gift card, or simply call 1-800-466-3337 and tell the customer care agent to check the balance for you. The next method is make sure the card has a PIN. Some old cards don't have a PIN, so they cannot be used online. So if you have no PIN, you must redeem it in store. So take the gift card to the cashier and the cashier will redeem it. Then the next method is the card might not be activated if bought from Home Depot store, CVS, Walmart, Kroger, Amazon, promo, online gift card site. Sometimes the store forgets to activate it. Simply take the receipt to the cashier on the purchase store and contact the store or seller and ask them to activate the card manually, and they will fix it and redeem it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.